ServiceNow versus Salesforce. Which one is actually better? Now, when it comes down to business software, Salesforce and ServiceNow are two of the biggest names, but they do serve different purposes. And if you're wondering which one is better, it really depends on what you need. So in this video, we'll break down the key differences between both of these platforms so you can decide which one is the right one for you. So let's understand the basics first. Salesforce is primarily a customer relationship management platform. Basically helps businesses to manage customer interactions, sales pipelines, marketing and campaigns, right? While ServiceNow, on the other hand, is an IT service management tool, right? Designed for IT teams to handle internal service requests, incident management, and automation for business operations. Okay, so one helps sales, the other one helps IT teams. Okay, now let's go over some of the key differences, right? So customer relationship management, CRM. Salesforce, it's one of the best CRMs for lead management, sales automation, customer engagement. ServiceNow would only rate 2 stars here because it is not built for CRM, but it does have some customer interaction features, sure, right? And IT service management, this is where ServiceNow shines here, okay? Because it is the industry standard for IT service management, IT workflows. And SalesNow, look, it has strong customer service tools, but lacks the depth, okay, for ITCM. And in terms of automation and AI, Salesforce does get 5 stars because they are AI-powered tools there, like the Einstein GPT for automation and predictive analytics. While ServiceNow, the automation is mainly focused on IT workflows, sure, but it does lack advanced AI capabilities. And in terms of resolution of issues and ticketing, they're comparable because Service Cloud, they offer strong case management features here in Salesforce, while ServiceNow, it's designed for IT issue resolution and workflow automation. That is the main job itself. So of course, this one would be rated higher in this case. Now, in terms of customization and app building, both of them very good because Salesforce, they have a low code, lighting and app builder for creating business apps. So very easy. And ServiceNow, they have an app engine studio for IT teams to build the internal tools. In terms of integration, Salesforce, over 7,000 apps integrated. It also integrates with Zapier, and this one also integrates with Zapier, over 900 integrations. Honestly, compared to the other tools in the market, very good. So which one should you choose? And it depends, okay? Like even the pricing, this one is request only. This one is a good price. It depends on what you're into, what scale you are operating in. Honestly, it depends. So you pick Salesforce for business focused on sales, customer service, marketing. It's basically an all-in-one CRM that helps you manage customer interactions effectively. But you should pick ServiceNow if you need a powerful IT management tool for handling service requests, incidents, and automating your IT operations. So if you're wondering if you can use both, yeah, some businesses, integrate both platforms. They use Salesforce for customer interactions and ServiceNow for IT operations. They even work together through Zapier or custom integrations, right? So in conclusion, neither platform is outright better. It just depends on your business needs. Okay, so which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button as well as subscribe to Smart Solutions. And I'll see you in the next one.